happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. Ladies and gentlemen,
We have a superstar debuting.
of course,
Yes.
of course, OG superstar of the Indian film industry, Sanju Baba. Before I invite him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, we have to give it up for this superstar, a superb young actor, जिन्होंने इससे पहले जितनी बार भी फिल्मों में काम किया है, कमाल किया है, उस्ताद बोला जाता है उन्हें. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ustad Ram Pothineni. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां. We can do better. We can make some more noise.
Woo! Woo!
Lovely.
They'll probably cheer if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we loved you over there, of course.
Thank you.
First pan-Indian film, officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
हाँ?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it. Everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep, you know, screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail. So please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental. And I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen. And yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with double the smart, with double the energy and double everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently, and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you're already a superstar everywhere.
A superstar in Telugu.
And
First film.
it's an honor working with you, and it's an even bigger honor getting to know you. Because I keep saying, me and Puri sir keep discussing, you know, when you're performing or just sitting there, we're like, you know, what didn't this man experience in life? You know, you're like a silent saint, but you're a sweetheart. Thank you for pampering us. And it's an honor working with you. And yeah, about Ishmat Shankar and Puri sir. You know, we see heroes with attitude. I think he's the one who's introduced attitude, you know, the word attitude to heroes all over India. I think it started down south there. And, you know, the cool attitude, like earlier before him, I think when heroes had to show attitude, they had to stand like that. But now after Puri sir came, you know, this entire coolness came about, and he's a complete trendsetter. Yeah, complete swag. And sir, it's always an honor working with you. And yeah, thank you for writing this character and this madness. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rambai. You know, I would want you to do the honors because, of course, it's a big thing to do. Kindly welcome Sanju Baba on stage.
Yes,
I want
please.
you to do it.
Sanju Baba!
Our big bull!
Ladies and gentlemen, the OG
Our big
superstar
bull!
of the Indian
Big Bull!
Big bull!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार हल्ला बनता है बाबा एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है. यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं. टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल.
नमस्ते. कैसे सब लोग? मस्त है ना? तो ठीक है. तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली. पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके. एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double I Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you, sir. Charmi,
सर जी.
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है.
सर जी सॉरी.
आई सेड इन पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किया है यार. लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus.
थैंक यू जी.
Thank you for letting me be around.
सर जी थैंक यू जी.
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. और इसको एक चीज़ है, इसको कुछ मार वार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको यार.
सर मार मुंता छोड़ चिंता.
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या? बोले हाँ कुछ है, यहाँ पे लग गया. ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो. विशु, थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर. एंड